Okay, paint is dry, and it's time to get it back together. Well, it's coming together nice. I'm pretty sure I'm getting all right too, so don't worry. Pinch my finger. That's the only one that's got me worried. It's this one. Doesn't have too much movement, but it does come off, so I'm sure it's okay. Also, up is that little plastic cover, goes right over this, and then I'll just link this thing right back up. But it's gonna rain. It's always raining every time I want to do something. It sucks. Oh well. Okay, there it is. This will go to the engine and I'll drive it. This belt will tighten it. And that'll be it. Still got some duct tape right here. Got this stuff on there pretty good. Oh yeah, there it is. It's gonna probably rain on me. I'm gonna go check the radar real fast. Okay, I got like 5 minutes till it rains, so I gotta quickly get everything put away. For sure, next video you'll see it's gonna be on that thing. Muffler's gonna be back on. So if you want to hear that straight pipe, another video, you better tell me now, because that's all gonna get put back on along with this. So tell me now.